Hi everyone, you won't believe it. But in this video, I'll show you how I turned $20 into $1,000 in just 10 minutes on the IQ option platform. I use TurboTrend FX as the main tool for market analysis before starting trading. I will immediately connect to the IQ option broker and set the signal duration to 1 minute for each transaction. Everything is ready and confirmed. Now it's time to wait for the signal. What will happen? Let's see. I just made a purchase on the higher option. If you are interested in using this tool, you can download TurboTrend FX through the instructions I have provided in the description of this video. Earlier, I chose to buy higher because the signal from TurboTrend FX showed a potential price increase. Signs such as a strong uptrend confirm the indicators implemented in this software. See here, out of 26 indicators applied, there are 16 that give a buy signal. This gives me more confidence that this trade will be profitable. Let's see how it turns out. And yes, the first trade was in accordance with the software analysis. Now let's move on to the next trade. If you are interested in using this tool, you can download TurboTrend FX through the instructions I have provided in the description of this video. Before confirming, make sure the market we choose is appropriate, okay? Now we wait for the signal given. Currently, I have made a purchase with the higher option. I chose to buy higher because TurboTrend FX software gave a very clear signal for the market direction. Based on the analysis shown, the indicators showed that the price will increase in the near future. TurboTrend FX confirmed a strong positive trend, and I am confident that this decision is fully supported by the software. All the data provided by the software leads to one conclusion. Let's see how it turns out. And yes, I have made a profit again. Now, let's move on to the next trade. Stay tuned so you can judge if this software works as promised. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully, you can get some useful insights from using Turbo Trend FX. Don't forget to download the software and check the link in the description if you are interested in trying it out. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. See you in the next video, and good luck with your trading.